guys, so it's me, Kiani. Today's video, I'm back with another hair tutorial. And if you've already seen this makeup look before, it's because I've recorded 2 videos on one day. Yes, the kids are out of school, which means that I am trying to pack as much work into one day as possible. So, hence the makeup look. And on the other note, if you're seeing this video first, which is my hair tutorial first, the makeup look is coming up next. So make sure that you've already subscribed to my channel so you don't miss that upload. But as for this video, I'm going to be sharing with you my Not Your Mother's refreshing hair routine. I have honestly been watching so many videos trying to find the right combination of products to come up with the technique that's going to work best on my hair. That is low density and high porosity 3B, sometimes 3C hair. You guys, this has been such a nightmare for me. I have tried so many times and come with so many fails, with hence why you've never seen me refreshing my hair. I always start over and I always try to look for tons of volume and no frizz. And it hasn't been until now that I have come up with my combination of products that are giving me results like this on day 2. I've actually stretched it out and gone to day 3 with this routine, and that's probably the most that I've been comfortable doing it, to be honest. But still, I didn't have to start all the way over to get results this good. And also, my hair is completely color treated. If you're interested in how I came up with this color, I'm going to leave another link up above that will give you a complete playlist of my whole process of becoming natural, as well as the color and how I've gotten to this point so far. But you guys, all that being said, I'm obsessed with the Not Your Mother's line. So if you're interested in learning how to refreshen your hair, and we are hair twins, go ahead and comment. Let me know what products you've been using. Did you learn anything new in this video? You guys know I love to know, so comment. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get into my new refreshing routine using the Not Your Mother's Curl Top line. Alright guys, let's get started. First off, let's go ahead and have us a toast to the morning. Yes, this is my own personalized brand of coffee, and we're going to go into refreshing this hair. You'll see that the curls are pretty much intact and they are hanging on at the ends. So now I'm just going to do a light separation. I don't tend to force my hair to separate. If it's tangled, I allow it to stay tangled, and I just kind of move it back to an area that is not so tangled until it wants to separate on its own. And I will also be eliminating the step of saturating my hair with water, because water is my nemesis. It definitely creates frizz, but I am going to saturate my hair greatly with the Curl Talk leave-in conditioner, and I'm going to detangle with the Tahittian, Gardenia flower, and mango butter curl detangler. And these two together give my hair a lot of slip, a lot of hydration, and best of all, they don't straighten out my curl, for the lack of a better word. So I really do hydrate my hair with that. And instead of me raking my fingers through it, I just literally massage the products into my hair, and then I'm going to set the curl back in place with the Curl Talk Curl Activated Mousse. I am obsessed with this stuff. The dry time on my hair is cut in half. Not to mention, like I said, I don't typically use water during my refreshers, and it really does make a big difference. And I really start to set the hair right away. And I would say in probably about 20 minutes, I'm ready to just, go ahead and go about my day, because I can kind of lightly diffuse it. So right here, you'll see that I am sectioning my hair, and I would probably say that I section it in about 6 different areas. And the area that I want more volume is where you're going to see me add another step. And it's really important for me to put the hair out the way so I know what I've saturated and the parts that need a little bit more love. And I am going to alternate between the curl defining detangler and the leave-in conditioner. I'm just going to use probably about equal parts, and I'm not quite sure if I would get the best results just leaving the leave-in conditioner, but I want to say I definitely want to detangle my hair, and I make sure that on my wash day that my hair is not a complete knot. And then of course I have to go back in and reset the hair with the mousse. So you're just really going to basically leave in, detangle, and set. see that I'm going to add one more product. I'm going to use the Plump for Joy Thickening Hair Lifter. So the areas that I need to get more volume, it's not necessarily in the back, but it's definitely the crown of my hair where I have very, very low density. This is the area that I experienced a lot of shedding a couple years ago, and I frankly don't think that my hair is ever going to come back as thick as it once was. And even if so, the strands are a little bit longer, so they do lay a little bit heavier, and it's really hard for me to get that lift. So around the sides and perimeter, I don't really need the thickener as much, but in the middle, I definitely need to apply that. And the Plump for Joy Thickening Hair Lifter, it really does give that volume, and you really will notice the difference between the leave-in conditioner and the hair lifter, because the spray nozzle is very, very concentrated. So you'll see that I'm going to continue to move those areas around and just, like I said, leave-in conditioner, detangle, and I'm going to set the areas that need the move. But and look at the saturation right there. You'll see how shiny the curls are, and even with my hair being this red tone, it gives my hair a beautiful, beautiful sheen to it. So I don't really have to go in and add a whole lot of oils at the end of this, which would in turn obviously weigh my hair down. But places that I need hydration, I'm going to spray the moisturizer or the leave-in conditioner. The places that I need to detangle, I'm going to spray that detangler. So again, you're just going to alternate those steps all the way around the perimeter. And you will also notice areas that you typically get a lot more frizz. You might have to layer the products a little bit more heavy, especially the curl activated mousse. A lot of product comes out at a time, so the small quadrants that I'm doing on the sides of my hair don't need as much, but typically in the front is where I manipulate the hair a lot more. So remember, the mousse is going to give you that control. It's going to minimize that frizz. So I definitely probably add a little bit more of the mousse around the sides and the top of my hair than I do in the back, because obviously in the back I want to have more lift. So you just have to kind of know what you're wanting from your hair and what your hair is capable of doing, and then you can really decide on what products are going to work best. But obviously with my hair being color treated, I definitely need hydration, and of course everyone wants definition. So this has definitely been the combination for me, getting this refreshing routine down pat. And honestly, the Not Your Mother's line is the first one that I found a really, really good refreshing routine. I would say that I will definitely be looking into other lines to make sure that those products work as well as they do here. And but as of right now, the Not Your Mother's is definitely going to be my new go-to for this type of technique. So yeah, make sure obviously when you're working around the top of your hair, especially if you have low density curls, you want to make sure that you put that Plump for Joy Thickening Hair Lifter. You want to put it directly on the root, because it is going to create a lot of texture to the hair, almost like a grip to the hair. And so I love that the nozzle is very, very targeted, so you can directly get it right on the scalp, and you can actually create that volume. And I will just continue to swing my hair from the left to the right, and that's going to make sure that my hair doesn't settle in one specific area. And you'll see that I'm working in that hair lifter right in the top of my head to make sure that once it dries that I'm going to get that lift that we so deserve and crave. So yeah, that is my routine, and I'm going to show you guys the finalized results. Alright guys, we're back. I've already taken a break and recorded this makeup look, so if you're seeing the hair video, the makeup look is probably already out. Check the description bar. But yeah, these are the results from my refreshing routine. I haven't done much to the product, the hair yet, other than just kind of pulled it loose, mainly at the ends. And I'm going to go ahead and grab my pick now. And I'm going to do a quick volumizing, like right at the root. I'm going to kind of separate the hair at the root, but you'll see that the Not Your Mothers really allowed that hair to clump together really nice. And I will say that I am feeling the structure from this Plump for Joy thickening and lifting or hair lift. It's giving my hair texture, you know what I'm saying? Almost like a little bit of stiffness, almost like I have hairspray in it, but it's giving me the capability to be able to build on the hair. I'm just going to flip it over this way as well, so you can kind of see that I have fullness in the hair. So no frizz though, like I'm not getting the craziness and frizz. And you'll notice that I did not even reach for a water bottle. After a few days of me playing with the Not Your Mother's products, I did realize that I am my own worst enemy when it comes to trying to refresh, because I resaturate my hair all the way down with water. And that's always the hardest part of my regular wash day routine. So why do I want to start back over? So I totally have been avoiding the water when it comes to my refreshing routine. And I've been using liquid products such as the leave-in and then the Detangler. Now I could probably use either or of these, but I like how they work together. And then of course finishing the product off, the hair off with the foam, has just been honestly a game changer. So I am seeing a little bit of frizz at the roots, which means I probably have just played with it too much. And for the most part, the way that the ends are right now, I'm obsessed. I don't ever really get this much lift on my hair at all. Not at all. And what did I start my hair with? I shampooed it and deep conditioned it with the Not Your Mothers. And I did use the Curl Talk, the 3-in-1 conditioner. I like this, but you don't need a lot. I will tell you that these types of conditioners do weigh my hair down a lot, which in an effort to create moisture, I also create frizz. One, trying to remove the heaviness from this product that leaves on the root. It just leaves my hair too wet, too long, and it doesn't work as well for me. Whereas I do have the hydration, I always end up getting tons of frizz by trying to separate my hair. So if you're going to use a product like this and you do have, I would say like 3A, 3-4 hair, you're going to be looking at getting a lot of frizz to get that hair separated, especially if you have low density hair. My hair is very low density. I don't have a lot of hair. I do have some areas that my hair doesn't grow in as thick, especially like right through the middle of my hair. And that's where I want to get the most volume. But this is day 2, refreshed hair. And whereas it's a little bit flat right here, I think I'm going to have to forego the flatness to keep the definition. I think that's another big thing. You totally have to decide between volume and definition. If I want volume, I'm definitely going to not start with a lot of moisture in the hair. But if you want definition, you need moisture as well as a foam, something to give it a little bit more structure and hold. Those of you that are wondering what this Plump for Joy works like, it really does work as good as a dry shampoo on our hair. But I get that volume and lift on day 1, and here we are at day 2. So yeah. So there you have my new refreshing routine. What do you guys think of my end results? Like, right? Go ahead and comment down below on what are your thoughts on refreshing routine. Are you one of those that just would rather start over and re-shampoo your hair? Do you like to refreshen your hair as many days as possible? I mean, what is the maximum amount of time that you go before you shampoo your hair? You guys know I love to know. Comment down below. You guys also know I love to connect with you, so make sure you connect with me. Follow me on all my social media links to never miss another upload. If you have not already subscribed to my channel, make sure you click the bell. Also click the subscribe button so every time I upload, you are notified. Until next time, guys, thanks so much for watching. Hugs and kisses. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.